This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, you're just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together and be best friends forever.
It's us! Topsy and Tim. We've been shopping with Mummy. Come on. Our balloons. We've been to the shops to buy everything we need for our birthday party tomorrow. We're going to be 5! I love my shiny number 5 balloon. And me.
Well, hold on tight to your balloons, please, Topsy and Tim. Let's get them safely in the car. Stick with me, please.
When we get home, we're going to tie our balloons to the front door, so people know it's our birthday.
Tim, over this side, please. Careful of the cars. Right.
I love my balloon. So do I. I'm so excited.
Tim, would you hold these fairy cakes for me, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
They look yummy.
Yes, they do. Hold them really carefully, please, once I put everything in the car.
Yes, because we don't want the cupcakes to get squashed. They smell nice as well. Are we going to have a real birthday cake with candles on, Mummy? As well as these cakes?
Yes, of course you can.
Please, can we have a butterfly cake with blue candles on, Mummy? Oh, no. I would like a dinosaur cake with red candles, please, Mummy. No, please, can we have a butterfly cake, please, Tim? No. We're going to have a dinosaur cake, aren't we, Mummy?
You will just have to wait and see.
Oh.
Now, hold those for me, Topsy. Can you climb in for me, please? Good girl.
Oops.
You get into your seat for me, thank
Okay,
you.
I'm going to put my balloon in first. Done it! Oh, ow! No, I can't get in.
All right, just a minute, Topsy. Tim, can you carefully put the cakes between the two seats, please? Thank you.
Move your balloon, please. I can't, Tim. It's too big. Oh, Mummy! I can't fit my balloon in now.
Hello, Topsy and Tim. Hi, Joy.
Oh, hello, Grandma. Topsy. Oh.
The balloons won't fit in the car.
Oh, please don't let Mossy bust my balloon, please, Grandma.
I won't. Oh, I see. You've got a car full for the party.
I know. What a surprise to meet you here.
I have been birthday present shopping, but you know, I can't remember who for.
We know. For us. Yes.
Oh, look at your car. It is so full. How are your lovely big balloons going to fit in?
Oh, I have no idea.
I know. We could hold them like this, out of the window.
Oh, no, Tim, that's a bit dangerous if I'm driving.
And they might burst.
Then how are we going to get them home?
Oh, I know. Well, Grandma, you could take them in your car. Do you mind, Jean? Would that be all right?
Oh, yes, I've got lots of room. I'm parked just over there. I've got it. There we go.
If you could just give them... There you go.
That's
Oh, I can bring them round to your house later.
It's not fair.
Now, listen. Take a deep breath, OK? Grandma will take extra special care of your very special balloons, OK? Oh, cheer up, Topsy and Tim. You can help me carry the shopping inside.
I'll take the cakes. I'm going to take the cakes. Oh, I wanted to carry the fairy cakes.
There you go, Tim. Out you come. OK, there you go. Oh, Careful with the cakes, please, you two.
Oh, I wanted
Topsy,
to
can you help me carry your bag, please? There you go. Straight up to the house, please, Tim.
Oh, okay. Oh, Tim!
Thank you, Topsy and Tim.
Oh, why couldn't I carry the fairy cakes? I'm carrying them. And you're carrying the bread and apples. But it's my turn. No, I'm carrying them. No. I was carrying them. It was him. He did it.
All right.
No, you pushed me.
Oh, come on, you two. Oh, dear. It's fine. It's just an accident. But I did ask you both to be careful.
It's not fair. It's all your fault. No, it's all Tim's fault.
When something like this happens, you just need to take a deep breath and have some quiet time. So please go upstairs. Topsy, can you bring your coat to me, please? Careful of the cakes and go upstairs to your room, please.
Oh. We don't like being sent up to our bedrooms. I feel really sad.
Topsy? Tim? Hello?
Hi, Mummy.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Very sorry, Mummy. Try and be good all the time when we are 5.
Oh, thank you. Now listen, we all get a bit cross from time to time. We just need to take a breath and calm down, okay? But look, I brought you some squash fairy cakes and they still taste really yummy.
Oh, good. Yes, yum, yum. Thank you. Tim, I don't mind if we have a dinosaur cake on your birthday, Tim. And on my birthday. No, it's okay. We can have a butterfly cake. I really don't mind.
How about a buttersore cake or a dino butterfly cake?
Yeah, one of those, please. Yes, Mummy. A dino butterfly cake, please, Mummy.
Okay, perfect. Oh, Grandma's here.
Grandma's here with our balloons. It's Grandma and Mussy. With our balloons. Hello, Grandma. Hi, Mussy and Grandma. Oh, Mussy.
Stay off the road, please, you two. Thank you.
Now, don't forget to hold on tight to the string, Tim.
Oh, my balloon!
Oh, no.
It's gone, my balloon. Oh, it's not fair.
Sorry, Tim.
And that's when Mummy said, when something like this happens, you just need to take a deep breath.
When something like this happens, you just need to take a deep breath, Topsy and Tim.
Okay. Don't worry, Tim. We can share my balloon.
Oh, thank you, Topsy. Good girl.
We only need one 5 balloon to tie in our front door, don't we?
Well, let's tie it on tightly to the door now so this one doesn't float away.
Yeah. And that's it, Grandma. Was that? Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we were bought balloons for our birthday party. Can you remember whose balloon blew away in the wind? Was it Tim's balloon or Topsy's? The answer is Tim's balloon. Watch this.
Now, don't forget to hold on tight to the string, Tim.
Okay. Oh, my balloon!
Oh, no.
Tim.
Now listen. When something like this happens, you just need to take a deep breath, Topsy and Tim.
Okay. Don't worry, Tim. We can share my balloon.
Oh, thank you, Topsy. Good girl.
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.